Now, I'm very happy. I'm not going to give a long introduction. I think we must take all the time. And if some time is left later on, I will try to find some elements of bridging between yesterday's conversation and today's conversation. We have two corporate members. One is Carlo Fornaro from Telecom Italia, and the other is Paolo lammatteo from Enel. We were supposed to have a third corporate member, David Rossi from MTS. Now, I want to make this very clear.
Yesterday also what we heard is that CCO should contribute, public relations specialists should contribute to shape the business of company, not just make them nicer. If this is true, CCOs are doing the same job as other chief executives in different areas are doing, like marketing, like HR, like finance. And if this is true, you know, we should eventually see CEOs coming out from CCOs.
The question is if some communication officer can become a CEO. So the answer is absolutely no. Not now in Italy, not now for, say, my average of age, because from my experience, our experience is not complete. So we don't have financial competences, we don't have business administration competences in most cases.
Inside versus outside, from top management, let me say, to customers. This is one of the key issues we can impact on in this period. And the other one is CSR activities. I really agree, it is not strictly a matter of communication. Anyway, we can do something, as you said, for expressing the corporate communication activities, such as activities in the heart of the management top team ideas.
I've been asked to look at the societal impact of, of public relations and the role that public relations practitioners are involved in bringing insights to the board, perspectives from outside the organisation, and how organisations actually do something about those insights that are brought to them by their public relations practitioners.
And I'm going to give you some of my own observations which come from work that we've been doing in the US over the last couple of years, in particular with the Arthur W. Page Society, the member of the task force which produced a report called the Authentic Enterprise. If you haven't read it, it's worth downloading from the Arthur W. Page website. It was released formally at the beginning of this year. Much has happened since then. A little bit of that I'll touch on.